Hello students, I'm here with a new question. This question is bearing question. So topic is bearing trigonometry. IGCSE mathematics. Now uh, they have given this shape and they say in triangle ABC. This question is from, I'm giving source of this question. You can see the question in exam paper. You can open exam paper. This is I'm writing here the paper, year May June 2011, and question paper 41, and this is from 0607 code. Now you can please open the question in this paper, open the paper, and you can see the question yourself there. Okay, so they say in this triangle ABC, is given to us. AB, you can see AB is 9 centimeter and BC is AC is 7 centimeter, and angle BAC, so angle BAC is given to us, that's 110 degrees, and side AB is given to us. What is AB length? It's 9 centimeter, and AC length, AC is 7 centimeters. Now what they want, calculate the area of triangle ABC. First of all, we're going to find the area of triangle ABC. So area, this triangle is not right angle triangle. So in this case, if the triangle is not right angle triangle, then we know how to find the area. So part 1, calculate the area of triangle ABC. So in this case, the area will be 1/2 AB sine theta. A and B are any two sides, and angle is the side between them. So here this is side, small side C, and small side, this is small b, that's small c, that's small b. So we will be using here, instead of A and B, we can use 1/2 C and to B, and the angle between them, so angle between them is 110 degrees. So let's get the area now. Area becomes here 0.5. Put the values here first, please. 0.5 into, what is the value of C? C is 9 centimeter. What's the value of B? B is 7 centimeter. And sine 110 degrees. Yes, sine 110. Simply we can write 110 there. 0.5 into 9 into 7 into sine 110. Please always check your unit of the calculator, unit in the calculator. Sometime it's radians, we don't need radians, we need degrees, so it should be in degrees. So now the result will be equal to 29.60. So you can say 29.6 centimeter square. That's the first part. Now second part, what is second part of the question? Second part, they say calculate the length of BC. Okay, how to find length of BC? Part 2 is length of BC. This is BC side. C, B is here and C is here. Now the BC side is unknown, AB side is known, and AC side is known, and the angle between AB and AC is also given there, which is 110. We can use here cosine rule. Cosine rule can be used here. So BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square minus 2 into BAR AB into AC, and cos angle between these two sides. which is 110. So put the values here. What is AB? It's 9 centimeters. So 9 square, and AC is 7 centimeters. 7 square minus 2 into AB is 9 into AC is 7 into cos 110. I'm again telling you, please check your units in the calculator so that they are taken degrees. So BC, I'm taking square root here and square root there, on both sides taking square roots. So it's given here. The result becomes here 81, not square, 81 plus 49 minus what is coming here, 2 into 9 into 7 and cos 110. What's the result? It's minus 43.09. So total result becomes square root 81 plus 49 and plus 43.09. It's giving us 13.2. It's giving 13.15. So it's approximately equal to 13.2 centimeters. That's length for BC. This part done. Now next part, what is next part? This question. Yes, next part of the question is, they say part 3, calculate the bearing of A, bearing of C, from A. That's the result. Calculate the bearing of C from A, or find the bearing of C from A, where the bearing of A from B, bearing of A from B is given to us, is given, that is 0, 50 degrees. Yes. Now look at the question, look at the diagram. Bearing of A from B. I always say to my students that when they say bearing of A from B is there, when bearing of A from B, so it means C from B. So you make normal line at B. First of all, you join A and B, then make normal line at B, and then, like, see, this is suppose B and this is suppose A. So first join B and A, then they say from B, so make normal line at B, that's normal line, and then start clockwise movement from B towards a line which is joining A and B. So this is the bearing which is given in this question. So look at this bearing, A from B. So normal line at B is already made in the question. So this is the bearing which is given in the question, bearing of A from B. See, this bearing is given to us. This is how much? This is given to us, which is 50 degrees. Okay. Now let's say find the bearing of C from A. So C from A, first of all join C and A, but it's already, they're both already joined. So C from A, it means we'll make normal line at A. That's the rule. So then start clockwise movement from the normal line towards the line which joins A and C. So this bearing is required. This angle is required. Now look at this angle. This is 50 degrees. So what is this angle? We know that if there are two lines parallel, so parallel lines, and then there's another line which intersect them. So this angle and this angle, this is A, this is B, sum of them is always equal to 180 degrees, because these two angles are supplementary angles. So if this is 50, this will be what? 180 minus 50, so this becomes 130. Now see, this is center, this is center, this is circle. Okay, so circle has 360 degrees, and as I said that if there are two parallel lines, so two parallel lines are making, if there are two angles, they are angle A and angle B, so A plus B will be 180 degrees. So these, see, this property and this property, we are using these two properties here. This angle was 50, so I got this angle which is 130, because the sum should be 180 degrees. Now I need this angle, I need, this is 150, see, this angle is 150 and this angle is 110. Sum of these three angles is what? Three angles is 130 plus 110. Sum of these three angles 130 and 110, plus, let's say this is x, the sum is 360 degrees according to the property. So x plus 240 is equal to 360. So x is 360 minus 240, the answer is 120 degrees. So we got bearing of C from A, which is 120 degrees. Bearing should always be in 3 digits. It's already given to us. We got in 3 digits. That's done. That was part C. Now let's go to part B. That was part A, part 3. It was part A 3. Yes, part A 3. Now let's go to part B. Part B says, I'm making a diagram for part B. Here is a triangle. This is a right angle triangle. It's given to us in the question. This is P, this is Q, and that's S. PS is 7 centimeters and PQ is 4 centimeters. And here is another side, and this side is, then there's another side here. This side is, this angle is given to us 75, and this side, this is R. Now this is given to us 11 centimeters. Now what they want, they say in the quadrilateral PQRS, this is PQRS quadrilateral. PQ is, as I wrote there, 4 centimeter, and PS is 7 centimeters, and QR, as I wrote there, is R 11 centimeter. Angle QPS, this angle is 90 degrees, is the sign shows, and angle QSR, this angle is 75 degrees. Okay, calculate the size of angle QRS. Angle QRS is required. What is required thing here? Angle QRS is required. Now see, this is QRS, this angle is required. Okay, how to get this angle? Students, see here, it's very simple thing, very simple thing. This triangle QSR triangle is not right angle triangle. Okay, so we cannot use SOHCAHTOA. That's not the possibility. We cannot use that thing. Then there are two remaining things. What is the sine rule? One is the sine rule, one is the cosine rule. So we cannot use cosine because this side and this side, these two sides are not known. Okay, and the last option is sine rule. So we cannot use sine rule as well. So if we get this side QS, then we will be able to use sine rule, and we can then find the required angle, which is angle R. Okay, so this side is, to find this side is very simple. This is right angle triangle. See here, this is right angle triangle, this is base, that is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse. So I make a small triangle here, the same triangle I'm making here. This is Q, this is R, sorry, P, QP, and that is S. So this is 7, this is 4, and this is QS. How to find QS? Using Pythagoras theorem. So QS square is 7 square plus 4 square. So QS is 7 square plus 4 square, which is giving us, no, we don't have space, so we are writing it here. This is 65 square root. Okay, now let's get the result, please. Here 65 square root, it's giving us 8.06, or we can say 8.1. You can also write 8.1, but let's use 8.06. It's better to use that thing. So now what is the problem here? The problem is to find angle R. So I'm using the space. I would like to erase this part because this part is done. Now I'm making a triangle again here. This is R, this is S, this is Q. So I got this side, which is 65, which can be written over here, which we can also write 8.06 or 8.1. Both are correct. Okay. Now this angle is required. This angle is with us 75 degrees. Okay, and this side is 11. So see here, sine R over the opposite side, which is 8.1, is equal to sine 75 over the opposite side, which is 11. So sine R is equal to sine 75 over 11 into 8.1. So we get sine 75 equal to this thing into 8.1 equal to this, divide by 11 equal to 0.7112. Anyhow, I'm writing 1247 point. So sine R is here. Now this implies that R is equal to sine inverse 0.7112. The sine inverse 0.7112, the angle is 45.3. So the answer is 45.3 with me here, 45.3 degrees. Okay, fine. That's the answer here. Okay, so the result is there. Okay, fine. Mm, that's the question of bearing and trigonometry. So I hope you got the how to use sine rule and how to use cosine rule, how to find the bearing, and how to apply these sine and cosine rules and when to apply them, and how to use angle properties, like I used here two parallel lines. I use supplementary angle property. I use there are 360 degrees angles in one complete circle. So I hope you understand these things, and I hope you will be able to solve some more questions of trigonometry. Okay, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.